Come on guys, it's starting to snow outside, but yeah, it is my first time and oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to snow. The roof up there, yeah, you can see some snow there. Will it get thicker? Because it's gonna be my first time seeing it in my own eyes. Oh my god, bucket list check. But of course, before I'll go outside, let's just eat because it is, I think, 8:50, almost 9, and gutom na.
If there's a settlement.
It is snowing here. I wonder, guys, if you can see it, but it is indeed snowing. Cold starts to have snow. It's cold, like 1 degree Celsius, and probably later this afternoon it's gonna be -1. This is my first time for snow. Yeah, I'm not crazy because I'm only the one who's out enjoying, because this is my first time, so it's fine. But it's really cold. My hands in the other pocket and my hands here are already freezing. Oh my god. By the way, I'm CJ Estrada. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My camera can't capture it, but it is snowing, guys. Probably later I'll go outside when the snow gets thicker and play Do You Wanna Build a Snowman? That's enough. It's cold. Just get inside and open the heater because I'm cold. Oh, shit. Okay. First snow experience. Tugnaw kaayo. It's really cold and just went back here in my room because it's really cold outside. It's not good to stay outside for long. You might get hypothermia, especially for me that I'm not used to this kind of cold weather. And I have to do something else, like do the laundry, do some stuff, and just probably chill out. Mall here is really far, and then there's no taxi, there's bus, but there's only a few. It doesn't pass by near my hotel, so probably, and all I can do is just book an Uber and ride one.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? It's really cold. Okay, overexposed. Just walking around 2 blocks away from my stay house just to buy something. We need to buy some detergent because I have to do my laundry. I have nothing to wear this week. Just gonna keep my phone because it's really cold. But it's overexposed. So puti iwatan on. Like and subscribe. Nobody's here! Look at that! Wala na kami nga dito sa Grand Rapids! My god! It's totally new for me because Cebu City is really crowded and it's like I'm just the only one walking around, probably because it's snow. I always say it's really cold because it is really cold. I'm doing this for y'all. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It is currently 7 p.m. and I have been eaten my dinner yet. I was able to sleep all afternoon. I wish that I would just stay inside, but I don't have food. I don't have dinner here, so probably go outside and check somewhere else. -1. Bala na. Actually, naligo ko ganiha na before ko natulog. Kabalo Bisaya char. Actually, I was able to take a shower earlier before I was able to sleep, and I just reused my clothes because I don't have plans to go out anyway. Yeah, so just probably beach outside, guys. So this is what -1 weather feels like. I breathe smoke. Nani kaming out diri sa Grand Rapids. Nobody's walking around, just me, myself, and I vlogging. I wonder if this is safe. Probably yes, because I don't see a lot of police around. Charot. And I'm done. And I'm done buying my dinner. Subway makes me reminisce my Singapore days that we always eat Subway for lunch. Now I'm eating it again for dinner because I missed this. So I'm heading back to the hotel because I'm just gonna eat there. I still have pizza and I'll microwave it so that I can eat it. It's freezing, so just probably see you at the hotel. Found my knees and pray like hell. It's funny how a touch of grace gives you healing. Yeah, I'm healing, I'm doing fine enough to know that everyone's a little broken. Fine enough to learn heart's best when they're wide open. I still got fear inside of me. I'm not okay, but I'm gonna be alright. I'm doing fine. Still the one that I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the